Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide how to post a video to your personal Facebook page. Let's jump in. So first, we're just going to head over to facebook.com, and you want to make sure that you're signed into your personal account. And you do that by going up to the top right-hand corner where it says accounts. You click on that. This is my personal account. These are some business accounts here. You just want to click on that. So this will take you to your personal page. So you see this section right here where it says what's on your mind. We're just going to click on photo/video. Click on this. Then you just want to click on this box to add a photo or video, or videos. You could add multiple videos. For this, we're just going to add one. You just navigate to wherever that video is. We're going to select this one, click open. And then up here, right below your name, you see the options of who will see this post. Okay, so if you click that little down arrow, you can either make it public, so anybody who's anybody can see that. You can make it just your friends, friends except for people, only you, specific friends, whatever you want. You can really dial that in to be for certain groups or for everybody. We're just going to select friends, so anybody that is my friends will see this post. Then you can add a caption with the video. So I just wrote, check out my video. Okay. Now you have a couple of options here with the video itself. You can go to edit and you could change the thumbnail. Now you could upload a thumbnail. You could choose the suggested one, or you could choose an image from the video if there's something specific. I usually just do choose suggestion, and you can kind of toggle through and find there's a kind of a fun one. We'll click save. And the reason I don't put a lot of energy into picking the thumbnails is because when you're scrolling through Facebook, the videos will automatically play. So people typically don't see that thumbnail for very long. So I usually just worry about what the video is and how it's playing. Now, you have some options that you could tag people if there's other people that are in your video, or you could check in, have it at a certain spot, or add additional photos or videos, whatever you want there. But once you have all that ready, all you have to do is click post. You can see it's processing as it posts the video here. And a little box pops up here that says that it's still processing the video, and we'll let you know that when it's ready. This usually only takes a few seconds, and then that'll pop up in the feed and the video is ready to go. So we're just going to hit refresh, see if it is here. And there you go. Just takes a few seconds. You can see the video is automatically playing here once it posts, just like it will in the feed. And with that, you've now posted a video on your personal Facebook page. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.